If you have spent any time on Suno trying to generate a deep male voice, you know the struggle. You type in deep voice, low voice, or even super bass vocals. And what do you get? Usually a generic pop singer, or worse, the verse starts low, but the moment the chorus hits, the singer jumps up an octave into a high, glossy tenor range. It ruins the vibe instantly. Here's the problem. To an AI, the word deep is an opinion. It's subjective. But to an AI, 82 Hertz is a fact. Today, I am going to show you how to stop using adjectives and start using physics. We are going to give Suno the specific musical notes it is allowed to hit, and we are going to use negative prompting to ban it from going higher. I will be going through a couple examples ranging from country bass to goth baritone to show you exactly how this works. Before we play the first clip, you need to understand the format. Most people put their style prompts in the style box. That's fine for genre, but for vocals, it's not enough. To control the vocal range, we are going to use a header. This is a block of instructions you paste at the very top of your lyrics box. It has 3 parts. The voice description, the texture, like gravel, smooth, rough, the range, the specific notes, like E2 to E4, the exclusion list, what the AI is not allowed to do. Let's look at our first example. We are going to start with the lowest reliable register for Suno, the bass-baritone. In musical terms, we are looking for the range E2 to E4. E2 is the low E string on a guitar. It is deep, resonant, and heavy. Here is the prompt header I used. Pay attention to that exclusion list. I am explicitly telling Suno, do not use falsetto. Do not use a soprano range. For the style box, I will type dark country, acoustic blues, slow tempo, minimalist, male vocals. Let's listen to the result.
Sun goes down on the river line. I feel the weight of the passing time. My boots are...
Did you hear that? It's consistent. It doesn't sound like a pop star trying to sing low. It sounds like a natural bass singer. Notice how even when the melody moves, the weight of the voice stays heavy. That is the power of the E2, E4 constraint. Now, deep is just the pitch. But usually when you want a deep voice, you also want texture. You want that whiskey-soaked sound. For this, we move the range up slightly to G2 to G4. This is the standard baritone range. Think Johnny Cash or a rock crooner. But we are going to stack texture tags. We aren't just asking for low notes, we are asking for noise in the signal. We want the vocal cords to sound like they are grinding. For the style, I will go for a swamp rock vibe. Let's hit create and see how the AI interprets this.
Midnight came with a rusty sound, dragging my heart straight across the ground. I drank the smoke and I ate the dust. Everything I own has turned to rust. Scratches deep, secrets that I gotta keep. My voice is torn, my throat is dry.
That rasp isn't an audio error. That is the AI responding to the word gravel. It adds character that a simple, low voice tag will never give you. Sometimes, you want a voice that feels like it's inside your head. This isn't just about pitch, it's about proximity. When a singer gets very close to a microphone, physics takes over and boosts the bass frequencies. This is called the proximity effect. We can trigger this in Suno using production tags. For this example, we are pushing the limit. We are dropping the range down to C2 to C4. C2 is about 65 Hertz. That is sub-bass territory, the absolute floor of the male vocal register. In production notes, we are telling the AI to remove the reverb and sing very quietly. This makes the bass frequencies pop. I will prompt the style for a noir jazz song. Let's hear the result.
Next to your ear, no need to shout. When the lights go out, just the breath, just the sound in the deep where I am found.
See the difference? It's not loud, but it's got weight. If you want intimacy, stop asking for deep and start asking for close mic. Let's try something harder. Styles like goth, post-punk, or doom metal often use a voice that doesn't sing a melody, it just drones on one low note. To get this, we have to restrict the range even tighter. I am literally telling the AI, stay on E2. Don't go up, don't go down, just drone. Gothic rock, post-punk, doom metal, slow tempo, reverb.
Gray skies, cold stone, walking.
It sounds haunting because it's unnatural. By restricting the melody to a single note range, you force that goth character instantly. But what if you don't want a song? What if you want a movie trailer intro? For this, we need to strip away the music entirely to hear the sub-bass. This is the lowest frequency the human voice can produce. We are using the exclusion list to ban instruments. This leaves room for the voice to occupy all the low frequencies.
In the beginning, there was only silence. A void stretching across the stars. We thought we were alone. We were wrong. From the depths of the black ocean, something has awakened.
If you are making intros or outros for your albums, this sub-bass narrator tag is the cheat code. Conclusion, the formula. So, let's wrap this up with the formula you need to copy. If you want professional deep male vocals in Suno, stop typing vague adjectives. Use the header. Put your instructions in brackets at the top of the lyrics. Define the range. Use E2, E4 for bass, G2, G4 for baritone. Use negatives. Explicitly exclude alto, soprano, and falsetto. If you do these three things, you stop rolling the dice and start controlling the output. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechSnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. If you learned something new today, a like goes a long way. Subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into AI music and Suno. Thanks for watching.